Want to keep your WhatsApp conversations safe? Here's how to back them up. First, open WhatsApp on your device and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Chats from the menu. You'll see a section called Chat Backup. Tap Backup. Your chats will be backed up to Google Drive. If you want to set up automatic backups, choose the frequency of the backup: daily, weekly, or monthly. This way, WhatsApp will back up your chats automatically to avoid losing any conversations. Make sure your phone has enough storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection before you back up. Do you back up your WhatsApp chats regularly? Drop a comment on how often you do it. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.